we have got wonderful response from across the country. Many students are opting to come over here, along with representatives from different industries, government departments, public sectors, banks, and thereby, to the best of my knowledge, the number today, it has crossed, it should be anywhere 300 plus, and the number will be going on increasing from section to section, basing on the speakers and the keynote address personalities. This communication is changing from year to year, day to day, week to week, year to year, and the generation to generation. That is the reason this sort of conclaves will facilitate people of the present generation, earlier generation, and coming generation to know how these communication systems has changed from time to time for the good of the society. We hope this global conclave will definitely give a sort of awareness to almost all the liaison officers, public relations officers from different organizations to adopt the new technique and see they contribute more and more for the betterment of the society rather than their own self. Hope this conference will, in the next 24 hours, will give wonderful deliberations, and with the deliberations will be, to the best of my knowledge, the management, the governing council will definitely take a printout and see they are sent across the country. This is the thing what I personally feel to share. Here, basically, liaison, public relations and development and business development officials are there, plus HR and other allied services personalities also attended because of the importance of this communication systems. Even the keynote address personalities, chief guests, guest of honors, and the other speakers are from different walks of life with vast experience over last 2-3 decades, or even more than that. And you have all seen the person who is 1975 batch from Andhra Pradesh cadre, Mr. Brahma, who is now the election commissioner, has come down here exclusively. In his chief guest address itself, he was mentioning during his entire career in Andhra Pradesh, he never attended a program of this sort, and he felt extremely happy to deliver his address on this particular subject.